Lowest Locant rule. Organic chemistry, for sure. We all have heard about it, but do we actually know how to use it? Well, let's see with an example. Let's take an example. Let's draw, three mountains. Yeah, bromine, uh, chlorine. I don't know. One, two, three, four, four. Let's take alcohol right there. Well, can you say where should we start counting? Let's try from the left side, shall we? Or from the right side? Well, before watching this video, make sure you know the rules of numbering before watching this video. All right, because of course it's not a video of numbering, guys. It's a video of lowest look and rule. So please learn numbering before coming here. All right, so let's try to number it from the left side, shall we? Or from the right side? Okay, let's number it from the left side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now let's number it from the right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Good. Which shall we take? One from this side or that side? Which one? Well, instead of thinking, why don't we use the bulletproof technique of numbering? The lowest locant rule. Don't overthink. Just use the bulletproof technique. Lowest locant rule. According to lowest locant rule, you just have to make three tables. I'm just doing it for your understanding. You can do this in your mind. Okay. According to lowest locant rule, just make some columns. First is a functional group. Second is for double bond, triple bond, and third is for substituents. As I said, it's a bulletproof technique. Lowest locant rule is a bulletproof technique, so everything is covered here, starting from functional group to substituents. All right. When there are two possibilities: either you start counting from the left, or you start counting from the right side. All right. Well, if you start counting from the left side, what is the position of the functional group? Let's see. It's 1 2 3 4 4. All right. Next, there is no double bond, triple bond. All right. If we start counting from the left side, all right, then what is the position of the substituents? 1 2 3 3. First substituent falls at 3. Second substituent falls at 1 2 3 4 5 6 seventh position. Okay, if we count from the right side, what is the position of the functional group? 1 2 3 4. Oh, it's 4 again. There is no double bond, triple bond. Moving on, what is the position of the substituents? It's 1 2 3 4 5. It's 1 comma 5. So which one shall we take? Well, according to lowest locant rule, the locant is to be taken. And which locant? The lowest locant. How do you find this locant? Well, it's this number in order. Well, if you count from the left side, the locant turns out to be 437. See, 437. Okay, you can include the zeros over here, doesn't really matters. All right, if we count it from the right, the locant number comes out to be 415 or 4015 if you like to. It doesn't really matters. Okay, it's 437, 415. Which is lowest? This one. So we take the right side numbering. So you are correct. The circle ones are correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is correct. Nice. We're just talking about numbering here, so we won't be talking about naming. Okay, this was an easy example. Let's see a more complicated one, shall we? Let me clear this up. All right, I'm back. Let's take another example. Let's take a cyclic compound for this time, and some multiple bonds as well. Right, let's take this as an example. where shall we do our numbering? Well, there's no left and right here this time. Well, in cyclic compounds, you deal with anti-clockwise and clockwise numbering, right? Either you do it this direction or you do it in this direction, anti-clockwise or clockwise. Simple. According to the priority, as you must know, functional group is the most prioritized thing in any organic compound. Then comes the double bond slash triple bond. And out of this, if they are provided with the same number, double bond takes the priority. Okay, I hope you know all these, so I'm not really trying to explain you this. Then comes the number of carbon, then the substituents, right? Well, in this example, as we can say, there are two possibilities, prioritizing the multiple bonds. Either we start from here, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 5 6 7 8. This is a possibility, and this, as you can see, is anti-clockwise possibility. Another possibility being 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, there are two possibilities. One is outside, which is anti-clockwise, and the inside, which is clockwise. So which one shall we take? Because the double bonds are getting the same number in both of these, right? 1 and 3, 1 and 3. See, so which one shall we take? Instead of scratching your head and wondering, why don't you use this Locant rule method, the bulletproof technique of all time? Simple method. You make tables for function group first, then double bond slash triple bond, then substituents. I'll write it as S. Okay, here there's no left and right, there's anti-clockwise and there's clockwise. If we go anti-clockwise, starting from here, the first functional group will come nowhere because there is none. So yeah, the first double bond, however, comes in one position, second double bond comes in the third position, right? You see, first double bond comes in here, then comes the second double bond. This together is considered as a one double bond. All right, don't do it as 1 2, do it because this whole is considered as a single double bond, right? This is the number which represents the double bond, 3 is the number which represents the double bond, so 1 comma 3, right? Then let's talk about substituent. Well, it's 6, the next substituent is at 6, the next substituent is at 7, again there's a substituent which is at 7. Okay, all right, next possibility is clockwise, right? If we go clockwise from here like this, what is the first function group? None. What is the first bond? It's 1 comma 3, the first and the second, 1 comma 3. Let's talk about the substituents, shall we? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Well, the first substituent comes at 6, well, the second substituent also comes at 6, and the third substituent at 7, right? 6 6 7. All right, what are the locant numbers? What are the locant numbers? Let's see. Well, it's 1 3 6. It's 1 3 6 7 7. No, it's like 1 3 6 6 7. Okay, which is lower? I don't have to tell you, you're not class 1 students. This is lower, and this is the clockwise calculation, I mean counting, of course. So this inward counting is correct, starting from here all over to here. All right, anti-clockwise is incorrect. So thank you, lovely people, for watching this video. I hope you understood the proper usage of the lowest Locant rule. Okay, lovely people, bye bye.